to sourcing in procurement and supply. Unit 6, International and e-sourcing context. Section 5, e-sourcing. The previous sections of this unit dealt with international sourcing. This section is going to deal with e-sourcing and its related issues. At the end of this section, we should be able to define e-sourcing, identify the importance of technology application in e-sourcing. What is e-sourcing? E-sourcing is defined as using the internet to make decisions and form strategies regarding how and where services or products are obtained. In other words, using electronic tools for the sourcing process. The impact of information and communication technology on sourcing process, or on sourcing, the impact of ICT on sourcing. We all know that ICT has radically changed the way things are done, the way people do things, the way organizations operate. ICT has dramatically increased the speed of communication and information processing. This also supports more genuine interactivity in information gathering and transaction processing, real-time answers to inquiries, updating of information, processing of transactions and conversations can be conducted via a computer network or the internet. So obviously, the speed of communication has been increased with the aid of ICT tools. ICT is also offering wider access to knowledge and information, especially from global sources. The internet offers unrestricted, constant access to formal information resources via websites, databases, libraries, export agencies, etc. In addition, the Internet allows access to many informal information sources in the form of network contacts, forums, etc. The Internet or ICT also facilitates 24-hour, 7-day global business. Thanks to the Internet, companies are able to offer 24-hour, 7-day services and maintain communication across office hours, international time zones, and geographical distances. ICT also supports paperless communication, business transactions, and service delivery. Finally, ICT creates virtual relationships, teams, and organizations by making location irrelevant to the process of data sharing, communication, and collaboration. This is particularly important when developing and supporting global buyer-supplier relationships and supply chains. So we don't care where each party is. With the aid of these ICT tools, we can all sit in our country and transact. We can come together via Zoom, e-meetings, and all that. Importance of technology application in sourcing. One benefit ICT offers in sourcing is the wider choice of suppliers, including global and small suppliers, via the internet. There is also savings in sourcing costs through paperless communication, greater accuracy of information, and the automation of routine sourcing processes. This brings us to the idea or the notion of sourcing efficiencies. Another importance of ICT to sourcing is its support for low inventory and efficient stock turnover, as in just-in-time systems, due to the speed or responsiveness of the sourcing system. So at this point, we all know just-in-time to be a purchasing strategy where goods are supplied to the buying organization just in time as the requirements are needed. We don't stock, we don't put the things in inventory in our warehouses. Just in time, just as when the requirements are being needed, we ask the suppliers to deliver us. So thanks to these ICT tools, we're able to engage in some of these strategies due to the speed or responsiveness of the sourcing systems. There is also improved supply chain relationships and coordination arising from better data sharing. These in turn facilitate collaboration and improve customer services by streamlining and integrating supply chain processes. By way of summary, we have looked at e-sourcing. We also looked at the impact of ICT on sourcing. We finally looked at some importance of technology application in sourcing. Thank you.